Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a special marine warning for the Atlantic coastal waters between Manasquan Inlet and Cape May, New Jersey out to 20 nautical miles, including Atlantic City Reef, Buoy G, Brigantine, Great Egg Inlet, Great Egg Reef, Little Egg Inlet and Little Reef, until 3 a.m. At 1:22 a.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of heavy showers of embedded thunderstorms, producing strong winds to around 40 knots from Little Egg Inlet to Buoy G, or from Beach Haven to Buoy G, moving east at 20 knots. Mariners can expect gusty winds, high waves, dangerous lightning, and heavy rain. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until these gusty showers and storms pass. Repeating, a special marine warning has been issued until 3 a.m. for the following marine location. Coastal waters from Manasquan Inlet to Little Egg Inlet, New Jersey out 20 nautical miles.